प्यारे बच्चों, आज भी आपको हम स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी के एक तो मैथ दिया है. सी द क्वेश्चन इज हियर. थ्री पीसेस A, B, C of different substances. Weight is 16, 20 and 22 grams respectively in air, and 14, 18 and 20 grams in water respectively in water. If two of the pieces are pure materials and the third piece is alloy, also calculate the proportions by weight of the pure metal in the alloy. Question का मतलब क्या है? The question says there are three metals, three different metals. Two out of three, two is pure material and third material is the mixed alloy of other two mentioned metals. इसका मतलब है there are three metals. I have already drawn the sketch here, A, B and C. We don't know which is pure materials. One is mixing of other two. So see, A, B and C are three different metals, whereas one is alloy. Alloy means mixture. Metallic mixture is known as alloy. Now you see, I solved the questions, solutions according to the questions. Weight loss of A equal to 18 minus 16, because in air weight is 18. In air weight is 18. This is 14, 18, 20, whatever may be. See, in air the 16, 20 and 22 and 14, 18, 20 in water. So 18 minus 16 or 16 minus 14 or 22 minus 20, all are 2 cc. All are 2 cc. Just you clear it. ये चीज आपको पहले क्लियर कर लेना है. यहाँ A 18, 16 दिया हुआ है, इस जगह में आप कर लीजिए 16 minus 14, और कोई बात नहीं है, इस जगह 16 minus 14 कर लीजिए, तभी बात समान होगा. क्यों? डिफरेंस इज ऑलवेज 2 cc. आप जरा समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. When it is weight in air, that time one weight is 16, another weight is 18 and third one weight is 22. But when the three pieces weight in water, that time it lost some weight. That how much? 14 grams. 16 becomes 14, that means loss of 2 grams. And 20 becomes 18, that is loss of 2 grams. And 22 becomes 20, that is loss of 2 grams. And we know that the loss of weight is equivalent to displacement of water weight or water volume. इसका मतलब क्या है? मतलब यही है, वो जितना दूर तक डूबेगा, सोचो पूरा ही डूबा है, तो दैट मीन्स 2 cc of water is displaced. So water 2 cc weight is 2 gram, because water density is 1 gram per cc. Just आप एकदम याद करके रखिएगा, मैथ में कोई जान नहीं रहेगा था. Now displaced water 2 cc, therefore water density 1 gram per cc. Like this, volume of B and C is 2 cc, जो हम पहले आपको बोल दिया, सबसे दूर चला गया. Now density of A equal to mass by volume, not for density, any density is equal to mass by volume. Clear? So volume is how much? Volume is here given, that is 2. Why 2 cc we have calculated, and volume of mass is 18, 16, 18. It will be the 16. It will be the 16. First A का 16, A 16 ग्राम, तो it will be 8 grams. Just ये देखिएगा, 8 grams. And now density of B, mass by volume, density कितना 20, density कितना 20 by 2, 10 grams, and this is density of mass by volume 22 by 2, 11 grams. तो आप जरा देख लीजिए, यहाँ पर 16 था, वेट था एयर में, तो 16 by 2 मैंने किए हैं. Why 2? Because when it is in water that is 16, when it is in water that is 14, but when it is in air that is 16. Like this. So 2 cc is the volume. So mass is 16 by 2, 8 gram per cc. Mass by volume 20 by 2, 10 gram per cc. And mass by volume is 20 by 2 is 11 gram per cc. Now according to the condition of alloys, आप जरा याद रखिए, एक तो है 8 ग्राम, एक तो है 11 ग्राम. तो नेचुरली क्या होगा, अगर मान लिया जाए ये वाला 8 ग्राम है और ये वाला 11 ग्राम है, तो एक कभी भी 11 का ऊपर नहीं हो सकता है, इन द सेम टाइम 8 का नीचे नहीं हो सकता. इट नेवर बी मोर देन 11 एंड लेस देन 8. सो इट विल बी इन एवरेज. Alloy weight should be average of the two other weight. So B is the alloy. First you choose the alloy. So according to condition, alloy density is the average density. Be careful. Of two pure substances. Clear? Now B is the alloys of A and C. Let the weight of A in alloy equal to W grams. I can take वो एलॉय में ए जो रहेगा वो W ग्राम्स पकड़ा. टोटल वेट कितना है 20, बिकॉज इट इज आई हैव कैलकुलेटेड 20, इट इज गिवन. एंड नाउ C is 20 minus W ग्राम. तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ A प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ C इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ B. इट इज नेचुरली वॉल्यूम ऑफ A प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ B, वॉल्यूम ऑफ C इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ B. Same time W by 8. W is what? That is a mass. Volume is what? That is density equal to mass by volume. तो volume is equal to क्या हो जाएगा? Mass by density. So यहाँ density दिया हुआ है. एक चीज याद रखिएगा. When density D equal to mass by volume, therefore volume equal to M by D. So I have written here W by 8 because I have assumed that alloy W grams. So it is W by 8 plus 20 minus W by 11 equal to 20 by 10. Why 20? Because it is 20 by 10 is here. See, volume is 10 gram. So mass by volume यहाँ भी होगा 20 by 10 equal to 2. So automatically by cross multiplications I have got 11W minus 8W, 3W equal to, this is C, 160, but 8 into 11 is how much? 88. 88 into 2 is equal to 176. 176 minus 160, that is 16. Therefore W is equal to 16 by 3 equal to 5.33 grams. Clear? 3 into 5, 15, and 0.33 into 3 is equal to 0.99. It is near about 6. So W is equal to 5.33 grams of A. Therefore, automatically C is equal to 20 minus W, that is 14.6 gram of C. तो एलॉय में कितना रह गया? A रह गया 5.33 grams and C कितना रह गया? C रह गया 14.6 ग्राम, 67 grams. प्यारे बच्चों, यदि आपको मेरा समझाना अच्छा लगे, if you think the explanation is good, then you can share this thing to your friends. And if you have any doubt, please put some comments. Those who have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much.